Everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be preparing Jamaican rice and peas. Did you know that Jamaican rice and peas is prepared almost every Sunday, or I should say every Sunday in every household, because this is the dish that Jamaica love to prepare on Sunday with some nice brown stew chicken, fried chicken, oxtail, or whatever they choose to go with it. So today we are going to make some Jamaican rice and peas. So what I did basically was to soak my peas from overnight in some water to give it less time to cook. It softened the peas from overnight. I did not do this on camera, I actually did it off camera. So after I did that, I put my peas to cook on the stove, and once it is cooked, I add my coconut milk to the peas, and then I go ahead and I had my scallion and thyme, and I also had some Jamaica pimento to bring up the flavor, as you know. And you can go ahead and add some butter, and you can also add a teaspoon of sugar, bring up the coconut milk. So this is how I prepare the rice and peas here. And after that, I allow it to cook a little so that my scallion and thyme can blend in with the coconut milk. And then I wash my rice and I put my rice in the peas. So when it comes down to cooking the rice, there is a certain technique. Some people like their rice to be soft, some people like their rice to be shelly. For me personally, I like when the rice is shelly, so I ensure that there is not a lot of water in the pot. It all depends on how much rice you are cooking, so you need to ensure that you don't have a lot of water in the pot if you want to have a shelly rice and peas. Also, what you can do, you can put a file paper over your rice and peas, so you know the water from the pot, the cover doesn't drip, and then you feel me, you get what I'm saying. Yes, sometimes I does that, but I don't anymore, because I think I have mastered how to do this to make it come out really perfect the way that I like it, and I just don't do that anymore. So this is how my rice and peas is looking. It's not complete as yet, and then yeah, it is almost finished. And once your rice and peas is cooked, what you can basically do is serve it with anything that you like. Some people like curry chicken, curry goat, brown stew chicken, oxtail. There is so many things that can actually go with this dish. Whatever you like, you can go ahead and have it with it. Trust me guys, this is very delicious. You should try it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Let me know what you like me to prepare. Okay, bye.